Harvest season brings joy, happiness and warmth with itself. We're going to double it today by making a nutritious recipe packed full of calcium. We're making Til and Makhana Laddu. Let's see how it's done. This recipe is super quick and simple and can be made with just 5 ingredients which are available easily at home. We're going to start by roasting our sesame seeds. This is 1 cup of white sesame seeds. I'm going to roast the sesame seeds on medium heat. Once they start popping, you can turn down the heat, and as they start catching color, just stir them very nicely and remove it in a plate. While the sesame seeds are cooling down, let's roast our makhana. This is 1 cup of makhana. Makhana may seem to be very stale when you open the package, but you can always refresh it by roasting it on very low flame. It takes about 5 to 7 minutes to make it nice and crunchy. This removes the excess moisture from the makhana. I am not using any fat over here, but you can also use a teaspoon of oil or ghee while roasting the makhana. Now this is done. It's nice and crunchy. I'm going to take it off in a bowl. Now we're going to grind the makhana. The makhana has turned into a fine powder. Now we are going to add the cooled down sesame seeds to the same pot and grind it. The toasted sesame seeds smell really amazing. I have ground them into a coarse powder. This way it will bind into a laddu very easily. To this we are going to add powdered jaggery, half a cup, and 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix this really well, making sure there are no lumps in the jaggery powder. Once it's well mixed, we are going to start adding ghee to bind the laddu together. You may need more, but I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of ghee. Start mixing. Once everything comes together, you can scrunch up a little bit of the mixture and check if you need more ghee. This clearly needs 2 more tablespoons, so I'm going to add it directly. I've added around 4 tablespoons of ghee to the entire mixture. If you feel like the mixture is not coming together even after 4 tablespoons of ghee, you can heat it up on very low flame while stirring it. The sesame seeds will start releasing their natural oils and the mixture will start coming together. Bring it out of the flame, keep it to cool down, and then you can start making your laddus. I'm going to take a small portion of the mixture and I'm going to start squeezing it in my hands. The sesame seeds have started releasing their natural oil. Just roll it around very lightly between your palms and our laddu is now ready. In the same way, I'm going to prepare the other laddus as well. Our delicious laddus packed full of calcium and protein are now ready to serve. Do give this recipe a try this harvest season and let me know how it turns out. This is Chef Bhumika signing off from Rajshri Food.